Fast, effective and gentle cleansing. The wipes are designed to clean without the uncomfortable drying effects of soap and water, leaving the skin feeling smoothed and refreshed. Specially formulated to eliminate unpleasant odours and remove 99.9% of common germs and bacteria, ensuring the skin stays clean and healthy. Our wipes contain a barrier cream that moisturises the skin and provides protection from irritants such as urine to minimise discomfort. Upgrading to Reynard Incontinence Wipes removes the need for products like towels, basins, soaps, creams and moisturisers, providing a cost-effective alternative that reduces the valuable nursing and carer time required.